So this is our source and this is our target. Then what is the dimensions are same here. P3 SKU is a child and P2 products are the parent. I will make this proper. What should I do? First of all, I should select this P2 products and then I should select this one. So what is the major difference means I will show this one. What happened? You can see here P3 products first, then you can see P2 product. Why we need to maintain this sequence means, so what is the reason means you can see here. So what is the major purpose means, whenever you are pulling data from one module to another module, this sequence should be there on the base of whatever the dimensions we have created first. So this sequence we should maintain in general list. So you can see whatever the sequence we have maintained, same sequence we should maintain. So I think G3 location only it is correct thing, but because of you can see here why we are maintaining means you can understand here easily. P3 to P2 you are getting data, so that is fine. Child to parent we are getting data, there is no need to aggregate anything, so automatically detail will aggregate. So but here we have another new dimension, extra dimension. What is the extra dimensions we have here? Yes, in target module what is the extra dimension we have?
Distribution center, sir.
Yes, G3 location. Yes, G3 location distribution center is the extra dimension. What is this means? This is also location dimension only, location subset. G3 location subset only. Yes, G3 location, nothing is there. You can see here. Yes, G3 location distribution center. So that is the reason what will you do. So this is a problem. So we need relation for this one. Yes, G3 location, and even you can see here we have data here in month and here in week. So is it correct dimension? Whatever they are suggesting, week to month automatically it will get aggregate. Why? Child to parent na? So that is the reason automatically will get aggregate. That is also not problem. Time in month, so that is also not a problem. We can automatically get updated from weeks to months. So that is also fine. So you can see here. Then what is our problem here? Distribution center. Yes, G3 location distribution center is our problem. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason what we have done here. We have set mapped like where we have this P3 SKU and like distribution center where we have relationship means. So system 0 in system 08 we have this relation. System 08 we have one relation where we have P3 SKU and this is a distribution center only, supplied by nothing but distribution center. So this is a distribution center. You can see here we are using the P3 SKU dimension. So that is the reason we have relation here. So I am mapping with this one. So in this way I am writing formula here. So I have got this answer. So some stock exception by, so here which dimensions wise I am getting? Distribution center wise and P2 product wise I am getting the stock exceptions count. You can see here. So this is the we have completed yesterday till this inventory 03 module. So we need to create next activity like inventory 04 module we need to create here. Distribution center capacity we need to create this one. So import data into, we need to create this module now. Import data into distribution center details. So add number formatted line item capacity, download this one and import data into system 07 module. So in system 07 module actually we don't have that capacity line item. Just now I have created that one. So just now I have created, you can see this one, this capacity data just now I have created. We don't have actually this data, this line item. I have created this capacity line item and I imported that data. So I will import the data, same data, nothing will happen. So if I click on import, I even downloaded that file also, whatever they are guiding. In my downloads you can see distribution center capacity. I downloaded that file. Capacity is there, admin only, it is fine. So we should click on next here. So you can see G3 location, where we have G3 location New York, San Francisco in column 1, and where we have this one code, country, region, capacity, everything, line items, where we have
Column
yes
headers.
column headers. So how we can get confirm means you can see this tab. So here line items you can see code, country, region, everything we have. Why you can't see this in grid view? Why only we can see this one in blue color text, capacity, and this one shipping? Yes, why means already these line items are, we are using formulas. Whenever you use any formula, so for that one you can't import anything, that is impossible. So blueprint view nothing but, if you have blue color text, nothing but we don't using any formula, we are importing the data, that's it. So then I am clicking on run import, I will get the again same data. So you can see here, so same data you can see here. So what is mean by hit means, if you are using default shipping method also you can see there. Why means we are not using any formula here, blue color text. So if I click on here, you can see here we are using the formulas. That is the reason we can't see, we can see this in gray color text while importing, and we are not using any formulas for these two line items. So that is the reason we are using, we can see gray, like blue color text, these two line items. Is it correct? Why we are using this blue color text for these two line item? Why we are see gray color text, these four line items?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
Uh, for the first four, we are using formulas, and the next two, we are using import data.
Okay. So we are importing data, that is the reason we can see in gray color. So that here we in blue color we can see this text, these two line items. Anyway we have completed this one. So after importing the data, so you can create the inventory 04 module, you can see here, and we need to create inventory. Someone is entering, please add him. So inventory 03, inventory 04 we need to create. Actually just now I have created this one, but anyway I will create once again with number 3 I will keep. So what are the line items I should create here? What are the dimensions? S3, yes, G3 location list I should take. Time should be in month. These two dimension I should take here. Time should be in month, we can change the later time dimension, and these three line items we need to create. Total beginning inventory, we don't have much technical thing here. Till yesterday classes we faced very like logical formulas we have used. We don't have much logical formulas for these 2-3 activities. Simple activities, these are the, nothing is there. So whatever we have completed till yesterday, that are the most logical formulas we have used there. So these are the ending activities. So simple activities, we can easily, we can complete these activities. So what is the format we are using here? Number percentage. So you can see here number percentage. Here we should use percentage. Yes, everything is completed. Then so what is the time scale for this module? Should I keep weeks only? Should I change month? Yes.
Month, sir.
We can see time should be in months. So that is the reason we should keep the months. Yes, we can see this one. We have changed time scale to months. So everything is completed. Then add formulas to review the summary method settings, physical year of everything. So we need to add here formulas for this 3 line item. So total beginning inventory module is there, line item is there. Where we have total beginning inventory details, we know very well. Where we have this line item? Yes, total beginning inventory. Did you watch
Sir,
this line item anywhere, or first time you are watching in our model building, level 2 model building?
in inventory 01 module.
Yes, 100% we have details in inventory 01 module. So what is the formula we should use? So you can see here which formula we should use, we need to understand. So this is inventory 01, I am pulling data from here to here. So is my dimensions are the same, P3 to P3 SKU to G3 location, is the dimensions are same?
No, sir.
No. So where we have this mapping, P3 SKU to SG3 location, where we have relationship between the P3 SKU and SG3 location, where we have this relation. Did you remember anything? In system 08, what is the relation we have? Distribution center is there, supplied by nothing but distribution center. What is the dimension we are using here? P3 SKU.
P3 SKU.
Do you have relationship between the P3 SKU and distribution center here or not?
Yes, sir. We have.
We have relation. So simply you can pull then. So I will write formula here for total beginning inventory. First of all, I go to inventory 01 module. Inventory ordering module, I will go to this module and simply I will pick a beginning inventory line item. Then I open square bracket, I use sum function. So why I am using sum function? Yes, here we can see
Total beginning inventory, so we have to sum.
we need to sum, okay, but the thing is why we are using sum means we have seen here what is our sum rule, what is our sum condition, third condition, source, what is the source dimension? Yes, what is the source dimension and what is the mapping dimension? Which dimensions are the same here?
Source and the mapping dimension.
Source and
P3
mapping
SKUs are
dimensions are
same.
the same. So whenever the source and mapping dimensions are the same, so which function we should take?
Sum
Yes,
function.
sum only. We should take sum. If the target and mapping dimensions are the same, then what should we do? Lookup we will use. And anyway, we are using here number formatted line item. So most of the time we need to think. So if we are using number formatted line item, then it will be like we can say, so sum we will use mostly. So sometime like anyway we should see other conditions as well. Some number formatted we should check, and this second condition and third condition also we need to check. Either we are summarizing the data or we are spreading the data. And third, what is our third condition? So what source and mapping dimension should same, or target and mapping dimensions are same. So which one is the same. If you check each and every condition, we will get idea. Is it clear what we are doing here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in this way we will get this data. And what is the distribution center capacity, where we have these details. Just now we have imported in system 07. Is it correct? Distribution center details, capacity. Yes. Did we take or not? Distribution center capacity.
sir.
Just now we have imported into system 07 module. So then we need to check once this one, what is the source and target dimensions. Is the source and target dimensions are same or not? If I pull from system 07 to inventory 04. Yes. Same or different?
Same.
Same. That is the reason I am not using
Someone.
Any functions.
So we are not using any intermediate calculations here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Directly we can pull here. So there is no need to pull. There is no need to use sum and lookup here. So anyway, we can go ahead. So that is the reason we are directly pulling the data. And what is the third formula, third line item formula means percentage full. How much percentage we have completed our storage. So how much completed means, so what is the capacity, like we can say total beginning inventory, how much product we have in that store, and what is the capacity. We need to divide by, we need to make the ratio of total beginning inventory divided by distribution center capacity. So then what happened, you will get how much percentage we have filled. You can see 68% is full. This capacity of this distribution center is how much? 1,05,000. How much we have stored? 71,000. That is the reason you can see 68% we have completed the this distribution center. Remaining 30% is the empty. Here you can see. So out of this 1,05,000 only we have stock 20,000. So that is the reason you have filled only 20%, almost 19% we have filled, that's it. So like this we can see. So how much we have, everything we can see here by using the percentage. So we have completed this one. So you can see here. So add formulas and review the summary method setting, physical year and half years. So then what should we do? Simply we can keep, whenever we do ratio, try to keep here formula, that will be fine. And summary method should be sum for these two line items. So we should keep sum for here, these two line items. So when should we keep summary method sum and when should we keep none? So this is a very major question, and even by using this summary method turn on and turn off, you can reduce your model size. This is very most important one. When should we use summary method turn on and when should we use turn off the summary method? Yes. What is my cell count here? You can see here, what is my cell count? 1020. Here I have so many times this one. If I turn off this summary method, how much cell count will decrease, you can see. 1020 earlier we have seen. So 408 cells. If I turn off only summary method, how many cells are decreasing? From 1020 to 408. So how it is affecting the model size? Are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir. Decreasing the size of the model.
So it decrease the model size if you turn off summary method none. But we can't keep each and every time none, and we can't keep summary method each and every time sum. So when should we turn on summary method and when should we turn off summary method? What is the condition we have?
When it needs aggregation, then we use some.
Yes, when?
When we needs aggregation,
Which aggregation?
the line items.
Not line item aggregation, Suresh.
Like
Uh,
If you want
child's rolls up into
child to
parents.
parent roll
Uh,
up, then we use yes, correct.
Yes, child details dimension we have two by using the summary method turn on. You will get two aggregation. One is that across the time. So whenever we want to aggregation across the time, so in that scenario we should turn on. And whenever we want like dimension wise, this location is there. Location details I want in country wise. So in that scenario, I need to turn on. So that is the thing. So if I don't want this aggregations from child level to parent level and across the time also if I don't want aggregations, so in that scenario what should I do? I should turn off the this modules. This in this module we should turn off the summary method, so model size will get decrease. So this is also very important point in reducing sparsity and like reducing model size. So even improving our model performance as well, it will help. So if model size will get decreased, automatically it will impact on the performance. So that is the reason. So we try to understand this concept. We should not say sometime, most of the time some candidates told I have listened. So we should turn off the summary methods. So if you each and every time if you turn off, why how you get aggregations from child level to parent level and across the time how you will get aggregations. So whenever we don't require, then only we should turn off. Is it correct? Each and every answer we have some rules and regulations here. So we need to follow these rules and regulations. Is it correct, Faiz?
Yes, Ashish bhai. We cannot do none all the time. Correct.
Yes. So every time whenever we are explaining answer, so we should explain everything. Each and everything will impact. So will you use like we can say, are you will you use custom version or native version? So I can't say I will each and every time use custom version and each and every time I use native version. So it depends upon the business use case. If business use case required only less than 5 versions, I use native versions. If I required more than 5 versions, my business use case is very complex one, I need to create the more versions. In that scenario, I go for the custom versions. Like this, each and everything depends upon the business use case and requirement. We can't blindly we can answer that I will go through like this, I will go through like this. So that is the thing we try to remember whenever we explain these things. So anyway, we have completed this one. Inventory 04 module we have completed. Then what is our next target? We need to create, I think, UX page. That's it. After completing this inventory 04 module, we need to create the UX page. This is a final activity. After that you have this one, but this is a not much bigger activity. So this is a activity, very important activity. So you can see here. So distribution center details you have here. So what is this? First create the one distribution center summary UX page and category
Ashish bhai,
supply. Yes.
Ashish bhai, if possible, record this activity, Ashish
Yes,
bhai.
yes, I am recording, Faiz. I am recording. So we can see here. So UX page should be include product time, distribution center and contact selectors. So stock exception. This is the anyway we need to what is mean by product time, distribution center, contact selectors. Nothing but we can see here. We need to include this one. Products, new job variant, time, location. We are including nothing but we should show here. In contact selector, nothing but you can select here. You can select time and whatever the time you want, you can select here. Here also same thing. We need to include these things: time, distribution center, nothing but location. You can see each and every location wise we need to select. This is the fine. This we can't do initial, only this first step: product, time, distribution center. And what is the next step? Stock exception by distribution center by month, half year and year time periods we need. Where we have stock exceptions by distribution center, where we have just now we have completed, where we have stock exceptions by distribution center. Do we have here stock exceptions by distribution center in inventory 04? Stock exception we have, do we have here inventory 04? Yes, give me answer, what you are seeing. Do you have any line item stock
No,
exception?
sir.
Then why you are thinking that much files? You can see, and I am showing you my screen and I am asking. If I go to here, you can see here in this module, do you have stock exception?
Yes, it's there actually.
Yes, we have. So that is the reason. Even you can see distribution center also, you can see G3 location distribution center. So why we are, they are asking, already we have created stock exception yesterday only. So yesterday whatever we have created stock exception is the different one. So what is the stock exception? That one means you can see here stock exception we are doing on the base of country wise and product family wise. Here how we are doing in this activity? We are doing activity here stock exception by location wise and distribution distribution center, nothing but location only. Distribution center wise and month wise we are selecting. You can see in inventory 03 we have that one. So location wise and product wise we can see here. So that is what they are expecting. In deeper level we are doing here. Is it correct? There we are calculating their P1 product family and G2 country wise there in this above activity. Yesterday activity we have done. Here we are calculating P2 product family wise and P2 product list wise and G3 location wise we are doing here. That is the major difference. So we need to create one, we need to use this one. So you can see this dimension, this module inventory 03 we need to use here. So what should I do? First of all I will go open my UX pages. So I have opened my UX page, and then we can see what is our target. So what is our target here? So we need to show first this one, distribution center wise stock exception I want monthly. Is it correct? Do you have in this module, inventory 03 module, monthly stock exception? Where is my inventory 0? I need to open inventory 03 first. Yes, do I have inventory 03 module stock exceptions, location, distribution center wise and product wise? Is it correct? P2 product wise and
Yes, yes.
distribution center wise we have here. So we can use this module there, and if I want to bring same in this manner, what should I do? So I will use custom view here. I don't use any saved view. So in my pages I will create one page here. First of all, what is my page name? You can see what is our page name here, distribution center summary. So distribution center summary we can see here. So we can see here I am creating distribution center summary module. So if I want that one, which card I should use here? We need to understand which card I should take here. Even they don't guide even which card we should take. Which card we should take for this first graph? In which format it is looking? Either it is chart or either it is text or what is it? Yes. Which card?
Grid
This
card.
one? Yes, grid card. So you can see here
Okay.
grid card I will bring here, and simply I will take that module. So inventory 03 module I will take simply, and inventory 03, how should I my module elevation? So distribution center, nothing but distribution center should be in rows, time should be in columns, and line item should be on top. So that is the reason I am changing I am pivoting my module. Yes, if I keep here, I need to change my rows. So actually we have, there is no need to bring this one here. We can see, we can keep this one here. Is it correct? Whatever we are done, are we getting same view? New York, San Francisco, US. Is it correct view or not? New
Yes,
York.
sir.
Yes, this is a correct view. So there is no need to bother about anything, and simply you can update this view. Yes, so we can update this one. So what are the things we need in context selectors? Product, and this is a stock exception, is only one line item we have. There is no need to show this one. That is the reason they are turned off this one. Don't select. If you have 2-3 line items, then you need to select something. But if you have only one thing, do you need selection of anything, any line item? If you have only one line item, yes, we don't need anything. Is it correct? I am
Yes, sir.
including time, and even I am including this G3 location. So that also I am including. So I am publishing this thing. Yes, I have published this one. So after publishing this one, so what is the next thing? Total exceptions, total company exceptions we need here. So if you want this total exception, which card should I use here? If I want total exceptions,
KPI card.
KPI card we should use here. So that is the reason. So we should use KPI card here. You can see whenever you bring this card, you will get window like this. So we can make smaller and bigger here. Nothing will happen. So where we have total stock exceptions, in which module we have? Inventory 03 we have that one. So this module we have. Yes, line item stock exception. That's it. What is the title we should keep? Total exceptions. Total exceptions. You can see here, nothing is there. If you want color, anything you can change. So otherwise you can simply publish. So like this you will get total exceptions here. If you want to make this one small, you can come to it, this edit part, and you can see here. So like this we can make smaller or bigger. So same way we can see here, we got total company exceptions we got. So everything we have got here, we completed these two things. So what is our next activity? Distribution center wise, how much we have completed this percentage, beginning inventory, capacity percentage full. Where we have done these details? Yes,
Inventory 04.
inventory 04 we have completed that module. You can see here, inventory 04, total beginning inventory. So this module I should take. So again I should go this module and simply I will bring my grid here, one grid. After bringing grid, what should I do? Simply I should use, which module I should use? Inventory 03. Inventory 03 module I will use. So how should I keep my dimensions? Line item, where should we keep each and everything? We need to understand. In rows, what should be there? In rows, G3 location should be there. Yes, G3 location distribution center. Time should be there in column. Line item should be there in column. That's it. According to that one, you should keep. So you need to first of all keep line items under the time. And under the time, it should be there. And this location should be there on rows. Yes, do we getting same thing? Whatever we have expecting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can see same view you can see here. New York, San Francisco, everything you can see. And conditional formatting they are applying. What is their condition means? If you have below 80%, it is fine. If you fill your distribution center with below 80%, that should be looks in green color. And if you fill your distribution center above 80%, it should be looks appear in red color or orange color. So for that one, I should create conditional formatting as well. After completing this one, I can even apply conditional formatting for percentage full line item. I should select the percentage full line item. So what is my condition? If I get value 80, I should get which color? Green color I should get. So if I get above 80%, like 82 or whatever it, you can set whatever the value, not much important here. So above the 80%, whatever the value you will get, orange color or red color. Simply apply this one. You can see wherever you get below 80%, you can see green color. And wherever you get above 80%, you will get red color. So we don't have any percentage above the 80. So that is the reason everything is in green color. Is it correct? Yes. Do we have anything above 80%? Stock? I am
Yes, sir.
asking question here. Do you have anything above 80%?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That is the reason we are getting everything in green color. So we have completed these two cards. Then what is our third card? This one we have. So product SKU distribution center, we need to check this one. So in the, you can see distribution center. One more thing we need to add one here, conditional formatting. For this one also I need to add conditional formatting for second card. Then what is the thing? Same procedure, nothing is there. Just we need to go and apply conditional formatting. And what is our conditional formatting? Only we have stock exception line item here. Rule is, if you have below 0, if you have 0, we should get white color. If you have maximum value 1, what is the color we should get? Red or whatever it. So that is our purpose. We can update. Wherever you have 0, you will get white color. Wherever you have above the 0, so you can see red color or pink color, whatever it. So you can simply publish it, so that whenever you do after changing anything, you need to do publish, so that whatever the changes we have done, it will get saved. Otherwise what happened, if you do any work and if you without save, if you leave any file in Excel, or what happened, simply the changes whatever we have done, it will don't appear, it doesn't appear later. So that is the reason whenever we do changes, we need to publish. If you don't want to keep that changes, in that scenario what will you do? There is no need to save anything. We can see here Another card we have like product SKU by distribution center. So this is the product SKU by distribution center. You can see distribution center capacity, inventory and percentage full is completed. Product SKU per distribution center we need to complete. So what is the product SKU per distribution center means? Product SKU by distribution center grid. So if I want to get this grid, what should I do? So they are giving some hint. To produce this grid, locate module that uses P3 SKU and G3 location distribution center as a dimension. Pivot and filter to the data to display only when there is a populated combination of distribution center and SKU. Save the module view or create the custom view that then display only dimensions, no line items. Enable synchronization and with the appreciate hierarchy displayed on the UX page. So what is mean by it means? So you can see here in this way. First of all, we need to check the where we are using P3 SKU and G3 location dimension, G3 location distribution center dimension. Where we are using this dimension P3 SKU and G3 location. Where we are using these two dimension at one place. Can you check P3 SKU and G3 location? P3 SKU and G3 location. Where we can see P3 SKU and G3 location. Are you able to see this two dimension P3 SKU and G3 location distribution center? Are you able to see anywhere?
Sir, data
Yes, data
0.
0.
Data in data 01 we have. So here I will create one saved view then. I will create saved view like as a DB view I will create. Just a DB view or UX view you can say. UX view. I will create one UX view. So in this UX view, if I open this UX view, I need to bring according to their requirement. How should I do pivot means? First I in rows, New York nothing but location. Location and product should be there in rows. Rows only we should keep. I will pivot this one. First should be there location and then product. This is fine. Line item should be there in column. So but we don't want any line item here. The thing is, you can see New York and products. Everything is fine. I need to do filter here. So how should I do filter means? So what they are suggesting, beginning inventory, wherever you have above the 0, that one we should take. So if I select this condition, what happened? So all the details wherever you have above the 0, that only you can see here. So this is a thing. And one more thing what they are expecting in their view, only they want to see these two things, G3 location and this product P3 SKU. We don't want this thing. Even this also, beginning inventory also I don't want. What should I do? Format and show selection. Sorry, format and hide selection. We should not show selection. We should hide selection. So if I hide, what happened? I can see New York and this thing. Even I don't want here New York parent, new job, or these are the P2 products. New York and these are the P2 products. So that is the reason I don't want all products I have. So toffee, fudge, source, these also I have. So I don't want this summaries as well. Summaries means you can see select levels. So this is a P3 SKU means child. P2 products I don't want, P1 product family, these all things I don't want. Then what happened? I will get only P3 SKU details I will get here and location. Everything I have got according to their requirement. Simply I will click here. I will save this one. I will use this view in my UX page. Simply I will bring here. You can see here, add everyone files. Yes, are you able to see my screen? Send message as a rejoin in both the groups, everyone. Are you able to see my screen? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ashwin.
So again I am pulling one grid card here. So what is my source? Just now what is the module I have created? Saved view. In data 01, in data 01 beginning inventory I have created the UX view. So this is I have created. I will update this one. So simply I can contact selectors. So we have these details. So y means P2 products already we got. If I do again I will get both the times. That is the reason I am not doing. So what are the line items? We don't have any line items. Nothing is there. I am selecting this one. So I can see here. So I got the same thing whatever they are expecting for this one. So P3 SKU details also we have completed this one. This view we have completed. So New York and San Francisco and this product SKU distribution center. The thing is we have we have missed one heading. Title we didn't write. So we can write this is a product SKU. We can give the title here. So that will be looks good. So we can give title here. If I give title, it's look Nice, we can see. I will give title here. I have given title product SKU per distribution center I have given. So everything we have given here. So one table we have completed. So like we have another two tables. So like these are the two tables. Distribution center details, where we have distribution center details. In which module we have, they didn't given any distribution center and product SKU details, just they given SKU details distribution center, where we have in our modules, in system modules, where is distribution center details and where is SKU details. Yes.
System 07 and system 08.
Yes, in system 07 and system 08 we have distribution center details and this one. So if I want distribution center details, simply what they are expecting in that view, I need to create one saved view. I will create simply save as. I will create one UX view. UX view nothing but user experience view, that's it, or DB view you can say, dashboard view. If I create this one, what happened? So simply I will open that UX view, and in that UX view what I do, what they are expecting, in that way I will bring my details. Line item should be in rows, code, country, region, you can see here, code, country, region, capacity, standard shipping. These four things, 5 line items should be there. This one we don't require. So that is the reason what I do, simply I will select these 4 line items, 4 or 5 line items, these line items, and I will click on show selection. You can see this one. So then I will click on save. The changes will get remain if I do this one. Is it correct whatever we have done? Code, country, region, capacity, you can see here, G1 region, US, America, everything you can see. Is it correct whatever we have done this view? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the correct one.
Yes, sir.
Simply I can bring this card to my UX page. I can bring here that one. I will bring this card. So configure that card. Nothing is there. Just we are showing that view. That's it. How the details will be there in system 07. UX view I have created. Yes. Just I am updating this one. What is my title should be there. What is the name of my title? Distribution center, that's it. Distribution center details. Yes. So simply we should give already G3 location details we have here. Where we have G3 location, we don't have. Do we have anywhere G3 location in contact selectors? Regions nothing but G3 location only. So there is no need to turn on this hierarchy filter. Already we have. You can simply save this one. And what is the final card we have? What is our final card? SKU details, product SKU details, you can see. So this is the product SKU details. This one, where we have SKU details module in our system modules, already we have, just now we have seen in system 08 what we have, SKU details. Simply open this one and create one saved view. Click on save as and click like UX view. Click on UX view, click save. Then simply what happened? So if I open my saved view, UX view I can see here. So what is the view they are expecting? They should country made in, distribution center, code, product family, product and product family. These are the line items they are expecting. So that is the reason I should make country made in first. So first of all I need to bring like this. I need to bring line items in rows, P3 SQS in columns. I should click on OK. What are the line items they want? First they want country made in.
Country made.
That is the reason I am clicking first there. Then distribution center code. Then what I am doing? Distribution center nothing but supplied by. Then code, product and product family. Code, product and product family. I will click on show selection. You can see all the details. Country made I got first, then supplied. Whenever you want reorder these line items, you should select the first. That's it. There is no need to do reorder the line items. So save this view. After completing everything, you need to save. Then what happened? You can attach this view to UX page. Simply I will bring this grid card here. I will configure, select the source. So what is the module view? System 08, I have that one. UX view you can see. If I update, it will get update. Yes, if I want make adjust any cards, I can adjust like this. So I can adjust like this. So this is also looking very lengthy. So I can make like this. Is it correct whatever I have done? Yes.
Sir.
So each and everything we have completed. So whatever we have completed, same view we are getting. So this is the way how we need to do all the things. So we can publish this dashboard. So each and everything will be you can see looks like same way. We forgot about here writing title. You can edit and give the title and card. So what is this card name? SKU details. Already we did copy. Just we need to give here as a title. SKU details I will give. Product SKU details or SKU details. So simply I will click on publish. So the title also I will get. Yes, is it correct? Whatever the things we have done so far, how we are getting this view?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way how we get the view, and we have completed these activities. So after completing this activity, we have only create the roles. So we need to create the roles here. So like what are the roles we need to create? Product supply manager. So what is the responsibility for the product supply manager? Each product supply manager should be able to update their assigned products and product SKU, but view only other assigned product family across all other regions. So what happened? We'll create the product supply manager in my UX page. So first of all, in my model, what I do, go to user sign, create the role. So what is product supply manager? I will create here one new role, product supply manager. After creating this one, what happened? Product supply manager, what is the responsibilities they are giving? He product supply manager is the not only person, so he is the only product supply manager will be responsible for the only few products, whatever the product family belongs to him. For example, product supply manager is the for the chocolates, so he need to edit. Each product supply manager should be able to update their assigned products and product SKUs. And if he is a product supply manager for any chocolates or source or fudge, he should be edit only that related product family and products and product SKUs, but only their assigned product family across the all regions. And if he come goes to other product families, what happened? He should watch the data, but he should not change anything. So what should we do in that scenario? If I want to control the list and list item, what is the thing I should do for this role? Yes, if I want to control only few list and if I want to control few list, if I want to give only one product family, I need to give access, and I need to avoid accessing of 3 product families. Then what should I do?
Selective access.
Selective access.
We need to create the selective access as well. So by creating role, in role what will you do? In role we will give everything. Role we will give which product details will give. If I go to role, so module, whatever the product related modules are there for product supply manager, we will give access. So that is the thing. But if I go to list, what happened? I will give this product family access, I will give. So product family, if I give, what happened? So he will access each and every product generally. But again, what I do, whenever I add any user, so I will do refresh here. So if I assign selective access in general list, so in general list what I do, I will assign the selective access for this one. So product family, so what happened? If I select this selective access, if I add any product, FICE is there, for example, like we can say FICE is nothing but one product supply manager, so he belongs to only chocolate. Then what should I do? This is, for example, this is for example FICE user ID, you can assume. So I want to give only chocolates access, and I will avoid to FICE other. I will give read access for the other 3 products, source, toffee and fudge. Is it correct what I am doing? If I want to control only for few lists, I am giving access, write access for chocolate, and I am giving read access for other things. Yes, is it correct?
Yes.
So in this way we need to give access. We need to create the role and we need to give the access. While adding the role, how should we add? This is the role, and while adding the user, we need to add like this: add user, give email address, first name, last name, and role. I am giving FICE for the product supply manager. I will give. I will select here and I will give. I don't give entire list for entire module for the FICE. Why? Means we have some limitations. So that is the reason we do this one. So Another one, what is the role we have in our here? Create the regional vice president. So regional vice president also same thing. Create the one more role, regional vice president. So what is the responsibility belongs to regional vice president? Each regional vice president should be able to view only distribution center located in their assigned region. So only he should control the locations. Assigned region means America, Europe and Asia Pacific. So we should create the selective access in regions. So according to that regions, they should not able to change the capacity or standard shipping method in any other distribution centers. So what should we do? Simply create another role. First of all, go to role, add another role, and what is the role name? Regional vice president. So what I do here for regional vice president, so I will give modules whatever the related to him, and general list I will go, and I will give access for G1, G2, G3. So I will give region wise access here. If I give this access, entire list access, what happened? He will access entire dimensions, but again I will control him by selecting the selective access in here. You can see here. So if I select the child, automatically it will rolls up into it will add its parent. What is the reason? We know everyone. So why it is selecting parents as well? Whenever I clicking on selective access here, yes,
The selective access parent is important.
already
Selective access parent is important.
parent is important. Okay, what happening in selective access? If I open G3 location, it will consist even G2 country and G1 region also. It will consist inside the G3 location. That is the thing you should say, Faiz. Why? Whenever we pull data from child to parent, all details will get. Why? Child consists parents as well. That is the reason only whenever you pull data only from child to parent, there is no need intermediate calculation. What is the reason? What we have explained, child dimension even consists the parents as well. Is it correct or not? G3 location list is
Yes.
there. And this same thing I will tell 100 times, but you people, what will you do? Simply you tell answer, but in a different way. Exact answer what I am expecting, you don't tell. Location dimension is there. Along with location you have country. So location country there, even country parent is the region America, that also you have. Why? Means it is a child relationship between the G2 country and G3 location and G1 region. So the whenever I select location dimension, so it rolls up into its parents as well. That is the reason whenever I select here in selective access, even it will get include its parents as well. Is it correct? So
Yes, Ashish.
Durga, is it correct whatever trying to explain here?
Yes, sir.
So again, if you go to here in users pane, you will get like different regions also will get select. Regions you can see. So region whatever this, for example, this is a FIS. I want to give as a regional president for the America. I don't want to give access for other regions. Other regions I will give only read. So Europe and Asia Pacific I will give read access. That's it. So this is the way we can control each and every one. So we have completed this creating select roles and everything. So we have completed all the things. Test and as an end user, each and new roles you added to the model. Clean up the model content panel. Review the selective access for each role. User review user experience pages. So everything we have completed this one. So we can check. So whatever the activities are there till now we have completed. Just you have like activity preparation for sprint review. So do we completed each and everything or not? Clean up model content panel each role, selective access to make sure it is ready for customization for specified end user, review arranged action panel to rename the add repeatable actions to process and remove any single user one time action. If one action is there, we don't use again that one, so that one we need to remove it. Recheck the summary methods and setting for the modules. So summary method setting we should check. If we don't require any aggregations, we need to keep none. Organize the modules, use dummy modules. So organize the modules means we should keep our modules in proper way. We don't keep modules here and there. Each and every module should be, it should looks properly. So these are the things we need to check. Even summaries and everything, UX pages, so is UX pages looking are properly or not, so everything we need to check up once. So by this we have ended our sprint 3 activities, all activities. So only we have one activity in conclusion, Durga. We don't have any activity in level 3. So only one activity we have in conclusion. So I will explain later, but our main target is now. So you need to complete all these activities immediately today itself. And after completing these activities, so daily we need to prepare the mock interviews, and we need to prepare the resume. We